1 minute is left. Mobiles are off, no?
नमस्कार. हांव स्वप्नेश शेर्लेकर, को कन्व्हिनर गोंयचो आवाज. म्हाज्या उजव्यान बसला तो बाब रोशन मातायस, एग्जिक्युटीव मेंबर गोंयचो आवाज. उजव्यान फाटल्यान बसला तो बाब सूर्यकांत चोडणकर, एग्जिक्युटीव मेंबर गोंयचो आवाज. दाव्यान बसला तो बाब निनियो कोरिया, एग्जिक्युटीव मेंबर गोंयचो आवाज. आनी फाटल्या वाटेन बसला तो बाब जॉन मेंडोन्सा, एग्जिक्युटीव मेंबर गोंयचो आवाज. आयज आमी हांगासर जमला ताजें कारण म्हटल्यार 19 डिसेंबर ह्या वर्साक जें कितें घडलें, गोंयच्या मुक्ती दिना दिसा जें कितें घडलें तें घडपाक जायनासलें. ही लज आमकां 60व्या वर्साचो आमी मुक्ती दीन मनयताले आनी आमच्याच लोकां वांगडा अशें करप, लज ही अख्ख्या गोंयच्या जनतेक लज, फ्रिडम फायटरांक लज, सगळ्यांक लज ही. कितें म्हणू करपाक सोदताली ही सरकार? ही जी भाजपची सरकार जाल्लेली आसा ती सामकी गुलाम जाल्लेली आसा. ते दिल्ली तेंच्या हायकमांड बसला तेंची गुलाम, कॅपिटलिस्ट सगळे जे बिझनसमॅन आहा जे हांकां पयसो ओत्तात, कॅसिनो लॉबी बीन तेंचे गुलाम जाल्लेले आसा. ही गुलामांची सरकार ही. आतां ते गोंयची शान जो आझाद मैदान आहा तेका सुद्दां गुलाम मैदान करपाक सोदतात ही. थंयसर आतां खंय लोकांचो प्रोटेस्ट, लोकांचें कितें मत आहा तें उक्तोवपाक आझाद मैदानाचेर मेळचें ना म्हणून असो निर्णय घेतला ह्या सरकारान. गुलामांची सरकार आनीक करतले तरी कितें? 19 डिसेंबराचे आमी आसलेले ते भुरग्यांक खऱ्यांनीच वालर दिवपाचो तांकां. धाडस दाखयलें तेंच्यांनी. ह्या जीव नासलेल्या सरकारांक तेंच्यांनी धाडस दाखयलें, वालर तांकां. आमी बाब सूर्यकांत चोडणकर, प्रवीण सिंग शेडगांवकर आनी हांव म्हापशा आसलेलो त्या दिसा सकाळच्यान. थंय बाबडे ते दिश्टीचे लायफ गार्ड्स उपोशणांक बसला. बरें ना, दुयेंत पडत आसा तरी ह्या सरकारांक दिसना. 19 डिसेंबराक आमी तेंच्या वांगडा आसलेले 3 जाण. दनपारां 2:30 सुमार मदींच एक फोन येयलो. आयकून खरें दिसना जालें. पुलिसान भुरग्यांची बस हायजॅक केली आनी म्हापशा वाटेन परतिला. खंय घेवन वयता खबर ना. परत विचारलें, कितें? अशें केन्ना गोंयान घडोंक ना. पुलीस असली गुंडागिरी करपा सारके कितें चल्ललें? पटपाक वेळ लागलो आमकां. तें बीन मुक्ती दिना दिसा अशें घडप म्हटल्यार आमी थंय आमकां दिसलें प्रासार घेवन येतली म्हणून. चडान चड पुलीस आहा न्हू भितर, पुलीस स्टेशनार घेवन येतले आनी ते लायफ गार्ड्सूय थंय प्रासारूच बसलेले आहा म्हापशा. बरो उगत जालो, हांचो पत्तोच ना म्हणून मागीर त्या बशींतल्या एका भुरग्याचो नंबर घेतलो आनी ताका फोन केलो. पळय जाल्यार हेंच्यांनी बायपासार घालून ते सायडीन व्हरताले. फाटला करून तेंचो फाटला करून आमी ती बस आडयली. त्या दिसा आमकां खऱ्यांनीच बाबू आजगांवकाराचो थँक्यू म्हणूंकसो दिसलो आनी पावसकाराचो. जर थंयसर रस्ते बरे आसलेले जाल्यार बस पेडण्यां क्रॉस केल्लेली. त्या रस्त्यांक लागून आमकां कोलवाळे मेळ्ळी ती. इतले खड्डे आसलेले त्या रस्त्यान, तांकां बस धांवणोकूच मेळोंक ना. म्हणून आमकां तेन्ना मातशें मनांतल्यान दिसलें की बाबू आजगांवकर आनी पावसकाराचे एटलिस्ट ह्या कामांक तरी आमकां फायदो जालो. ती बस पळोवंक मेळोंक ना तांकां आनी आमकां कोलवाळे जेलीच्या फुडें आमकां वचोन हाडूंक मेळ्ळी. पळय जाल्यार बशीन खऱ्यांनीच पुलीस आनी भुरगीं बाबडीं थंय कारणाय मारता. खंय व्हरता कोणाकूच खबर ना, स्वता पुलिसांक खबर ना खंय व्हरता ते. लोक जमले थंयसर. अख्खे जगभर ते व्हिडियो पावले. लज सामकी लज करून घेतली. नाक कापले गेले सीएमाचे आनी ह्या सरकाराचे. कितें म्हणू करपाक सोदता? भुरग्यां कडल्यान तुमकां कसलो धोकोसो दिसता? भुरगे मरे ते. तुमी सारके दाट चामड्याचे राजकारणी जाला आनी तेंचे कडल्यान कसलो भंय दिसपाक लागलो तुमकां तांकां तेंचो अपहरण करपा सारको. ह्या सरकाराक आमी एक सांगपाक सोदता, हें तुमी करतात तें आमकां पटचलें ना, हें आमकां उपकारना. तुमी पयलीं स्वताच्या फायद्याक लागून आमकां फोंडान घातले ते घातलेत, आतां गोंयाक तुमी लज करपाक लागला. जगभर लोक पळयतात तुमकां तुमी कशे नालायक जाल्लेले आहा ते. गोंयच्या मुक्ती दिना दिसा तुमी लोकांक तुमकां जाय तशें साजरो करप म्हणून सांगता. मागीर मुक्ती कसली तर ती? लिबरेशन डे न्हू तो, फ्रिडम मेळ्ळेली आमकां. ह्या 19 डिसेंबराक ती फ्रिडम आसाशी दिसूंक ना. कित्याक सरकाराक जाय तशेंच मनोवपाचें जनतेन, मागीर फ्रिडम कसली तर? हो प्रश्न आमी सरकाराक विचारपाक सोदता आनी तांकां मागता की तुमी हेजेर उत्तर दिवचें, प्रामाणीकपणे उत्तर दिवचें. जे तुमच्या मदीं आतां प्रामाणीकपणां उरोकूच ना, तरी आसतना आमी एक अपेक्षा धरता दितले म्हणून. पळोवया, लज आसा जाल्यार दितले. हेज्या फुडें हांव मागता बाब निनयो करुया की तूं आपलें मातशें मत दी म्हणून.
So what happened on the 19th of December 2020 can be considered as history in Goa, because for the first time in a very long time, the youth have been detained or had been detained by the Goa police. Youth of the age group ranging from 15 to 18 and above. And they were detained under the guise of national security. But national security against what? Events and programs like flash mobs, music, skits, street plays, and the commemoration of the Liberation Day, for which even the Goa government was present at Azad Maidan. Are these events and programs considered bad in the interest of national security, that you had to detain youngsters? This was a sinister move to demotivate and discourage the youth from doing what they do in their own way to save our pristine nature, whether it is Mollem National Park, whether it is Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, whether it is the Western Ghats as a whole, and so on. What is the government scared of? Are they scared that their future is bleak? Or are they scared that the youth have finally started voicing their opinions against so-called developmental projects that the government is doing, and saying that it is being done in the interest of us Goans, whereas we all Goans know that these projects are not in our interest, neither are they being done for our benefit? And to the police, I ask, looking at the legal aspect of it, where were your procedures? You are meant to execute the laws, you are meant to uphold the laws, but what are you doing? You detain the youth without telling them under what section, under what law, under what act they are being detained. You snatched driving licenses of youngsters who were driving towards Panjim. What did you find in their vehicles when you inspected them that was so injurious to endanger the life of the President of India? You do not know what your procedures are. Badges were missing. Youth was shouting and screaming because you did not tell them where you were taking them. Please understand, Goa police, you have been employed to look after the people of Goa and not to look after a certain few people that you call your higher-ups, or serve for that matter. The government, in connivance with the Goa police, tried to portray our youth as criminals, as terrorists, as anti-nationals. But trust me, you have done one of the worst things you could do in the history of Goa. You have motivated the youth, you have made them stronger. Do you know why? Because you have shown us to what level you can stoop just to silence the voices, or rather the truth, that is coming out against you. It is very sad. As a lawyer, I say this. The government of Goa is using laws in a very unlawful manner. And why? To silence those who have the guts or the audacity to fight the atrocities of the current government. These are hints that is being given to the people of Goa that democracy, or rather the end of democracy, is round the corner. Please wake up and watch what is happening. The Liberation Day that we celebrated might be liberation from the Portuguese about 60 years ago, but our government is not liberating us. It is taking away our constitutional rights. please understand, you have not deterred the youth, you have not demotivated the youth, you have not discouraged them, but rather, on the contrary, you have motivated them, you have made them stronger. They are going to unite, they are going to come out in a more ferocious way, and that too in the most legal and peaceful manner that you can imagine. Goinds Awaz, or rather we at Goinds Awaz, condemn what happened on the 19th of December 2020 along with the CM's statements that were made against the youth of Goa. Thank you.
So, just like Bab, Swapnesh and Nino have spoken, the first thing goes to the 60th year of liberation celebration. Who had announced this celebration? These celebrations were announced by our very own CM. When you announce a celebration, means you are expecting everybody to take part in it. Yes, we as the state of Goa, along with the government and all of us, welcomed the President to come and experience this celebration that we began on 19th December 2020. And I suppose it's going to go for this whole year. That's what the intention of the celebration was announced. But on the starting day of this celebration, that was 19th, first and foremost, after taking a loan of 100 crores from the central government to have a function in Goa, there was no occasion or no program that was planned for the public. Was there any program or any stadium or anything where the public could come and express their liberation? No. It was limited to the President, VIPs and invited guests. So how are we supposed to celebrate our liberation without a program done for us? And that is why Goinds Awaz, if you are aware of, from the time we have started, every 19 December we have been having a program without fail. 2018 we were at the Mapsa bus stand. 2019 we ran an online campaign and got the feedback of so many people expressing their liberation. 2020 we did not organize a program directly because we supported the youth of Goa on that day. What did Goinds Awaz support? Not a program that was planned only for 19th, but a movement that had started much before 19 December. A movement to save Molay, to save our forests, to do a sustainable development. And these youth have started their programs way back in the month of June, July, August. And 19 December was one of those days where they wanted to express their liberation by doing skits, by doing some dances, by doing some street plays. And they chose Panjim Church, a private property, away from all the cordoned areas which were under that national security. It was a place which was not reserved as a part of that particular program which was happening at Azad Maidan. The timing that was chosen was from 2 o'clock to 4:30, which was out from the 6 o'clock program of the President. Every planning, every care was taken to make sure that it was a day of celebration, a day of liberation, and only that much. But what happened? First of all, the person who announces a celebration year does not organize a program for its public. Secondly, those who come to celebrate this liberation by creating their own program, a peaceful program, is hijacked by the government state police. You use the police to go and stop a liberation program that is being done by the youth. What wrong were the youth doing? Nothing. We have gone through all the videos. It has taken us 5 days to go through every video to see where the youth went wrong, and we have found nothing. The youth, along with smaller children, their parents, some of them even brought their animals and came. The police are saying that they got a message saying that these youth are planning something, they would come with black flags. How many black flags did they find? How many weapons have they found? What slogans did they hear that was against the president? In fact, we had carried roses with us to welcome the president in case he had called us, because we had sent prior letters to the president saying we would like to meet him. So in case that happened at the last minute, we were ready with a bouquet of roses for him. But you, the police, instead came and detained all of them, took them to different places by a bus. There were girls in the bus. They were not allowed to go to any toilet. There was no food supplied to them right from 2 o'clock. All of us, the entire team of Goenka Awaaz was with the youth from that Panjim Square till Ponda. Everywhere we followed them and we were with them, and we saw how well the youth conducted themselves. They didn't ask for food. They didn't ask for anything. They didn't run away. They didn't do anything. They cooperated completely with the police. And the police were only throwing their weight around these young children. They were not given anything to eat till night. I personally was there till 9:30 in the night at Ponda police station. And the youth did not raise their voice even for a second. And that is why today we want to tell the youth that you have done a marvelous job. You have relived the liberation that was dead in Goa all these years. And we as Goenka Awaaz are proud, absolutely proud of you youth. And we are happy that we were there with you that day. We promise that we will be with you continually for all the programs that you are going to have in the future. We are going to stand with you in these situations on all the cases that have been booked. We are with you at all times. And to celebrate this liberation today, Goenka Awaaz, in front of all the media and in front of the whole world, would like to acknowledge the peaceful, the wise decisions, the way, the manner that the youth conducted themselves, the motivation that they have in their hearts, the love that they have for this land called Goa. We would all like to stand right now and give an honorary salute to these youth, and we encourage the youth to continue doing this fight. So on behalf of all Goans and all those who respect you in this world, we now as Goenka Awaaz on their behalf will stand and give a salute to all the youth. Now, the next message goes to the police. I don't want to say much about you or against you, because your very motto is help Goa police to help you. I feel like laughing and I will even control that. I am requesting you to kindly go and drop all those charges that have been filed previously on our people. We have our co-convener of Goenka Awaaz, Captain Viriato, on whom you all have applied charges, as well as Father Balmax Pereira, on whom you all have applied certain sections. And they have offered themselves on behalf of the youth, on behalf of Goa, and on behalf of all those who have a love for their own land. I really request you to kindly withdraw all these sections and do not go ahead with these frivolous complaints. The third message is going out to those people who think that everything is going well in Goa. The main reason why this was stopped on 19th is because Pramod Sawant, our CM, along with all his ministers who are there to only bring destruction in Goa, till today I have not seen anything